What if I told you there's a lazy way to make $3,150 a year without lifting a finger? Today, I'm revealing how buying just 1,000 shares of SCHD made it my reality.
For years, I chased complex strategies, trying to beat the market. Day trading, crypto, you name it. It was exhausting. Then I stumbled upon a concept so simple, so lazy, it felt like cheating. It involved one specific ETF, SCHD. I decided to go all in. Well, not all in, but I committed to acquiring.
Now I know what you're thinking. Show me the money. And I will. Here are the screenshots from my brokerage account. You can see the 1,000 shares of SCHD, and more importantly, the dividend payments hitting my account. We're talking about quarterly payouts that add up to that sweet $3,150 a year. How is this possible with an ETF that currently yields around 3.4%? Well, it's about the power of consistency, dividend growth, and a little bit of math that most people overlook. Remember, this isn't about getting rich overnight, but about building a sustainable income stream. But here's the kicker. This isn't just about the initial yield. It's about something far more powerful that most investors completely miss.
Let's break down the magic. SCHD, the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, tracks an index of high-quality, dividend-paying U.S. companies. These aren't just any companies. They're screened for financial strength and consistent dividend payments. So when these companies make a profit, they share a piece of it with you, the shareholder, in the form of dividends. My 1,000 shares at a current price of around $31 per share represent an investment of roughly $31,000. With a dividend yield of approximately 3.4%, that's about $1.05 per share annually. So 1,000 shares times $1.05 equals, you guessed it, $1,050 per year. Wait, but I said $3,150. What's the deal?
Here's where the lazy strategy truly shines, and where the $3,150 figure comes into play. The $3,150 annual income I mentioned is based on a specific point in my investment journey, where the value of my 1,000 shares, combined with years of consistent dividend growth and strategic reinvestment, reached that income milestone. SCHD isn't just about the current yield, it's about the growth of those dividends. Many of its underlying companies have a history of increasing their payouts year after year. By reinvesting those dividends, you buy more shares, which then generate even more dividends. It's a powerful compounding effect. This is the lazy part. Once you set it up, it largely takes care of itself, growing your income over time without you constantly having to pick stocks or time the market.
Still think investing is too complicated? You won't believe how simple this is compared to, well, everything else. Let's put this into perspective. You could put your money in a savings account, earning maybe 0.5% a year, or chase the next big crypto coin with insane volatility and sleepless nights, or even try to pick individual stocks, which requires constant research and a strong stomach. SCHD offers a middle ground, diversification, professional management, and a focus on income, all with a super low expense ratio of just 0.06%. It's not designed for explosive growth like some tech stocks, but for consistent, growing income. It's the tortoise, not the hare, but this tortoise is wearing a jetpack when it comes to passive income.
All right, I've shown you the numbers, explained the strategy. Now I want to challenge you. If you have $100, $500, or even $1,000 sitting around, do your own research on SCHD. Imagine what even a few shares could do for your future income. In the comments below, tell me, how many SCHD shares do you think you'd need to reach your personal passive income goal? The most creative answer gets a shout out in my next video. Let's talk future. What if you consistently reinvest those dividends? Imagine that $3,150 annual income growing to $4,000, then $5,000, purely from compounding and dividend increases. If SCHD continues its historical dividend growth rate, your income stream could double in roughly 7-10 years without you adding another dime of your own money. This isn't just about getting $3,150 today. It's about setting up a system that could pay you for life, potentially covering your bills, your vacations, or even your early retirement. It's about financial freedom built on a foundation of solid, dividend-paying companies.
For me, reaching that $3,150 annual income milestone with SCHD wasn't just about the money. It was about the peace of mind. It meant less stress about market fluctuations, more time for my passions, and the feeling of true financial security. It's knowing that even if I take a break, my money is still working for me, diligently generating income. This lazy strategy isn't about being lazy with your life. It's about being smart with your money so you can be less lazy with your dreams. It's about buying back your time, one dividend payment at a time. But wait, there's one crucial mistake almost everyone makes when trying this strategy. Don't make it. So, my final verdict on the lazy SCHD strategy, it's not just effective, it's empowering. It's a testament to the fact that smart, simple investing can yield incredible results. If you're tired of the financial rat race and want to build a truly passive income stream, SCHD is definitely worth exploring. Do your own due diligence, but don't underestimate the power of consistent, growing dividends. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share it with a friend who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more real-world investing insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.